I was here that you should read books always, right?
Reading out
But
loud will help you. Reading out loud, not silently.
I see. So the books can help you to reading and writing at the same time if you want. All right?
Yes, because you are gaining exposure in language through seeing the context, reading it, and saying it out loud. You're practicing a lot of those aspects of learning.
Okay, thank you so much. So what do you think now? My language I speak with you is good, better, right?
Yeah, I mean, I think you need a lot more practice. You need to practice more every day.
Yeah, I need more practice because I have problem to remember the hard walls. You understand?
If you don't use it, you'll lose it.
Yeah, true. If you don't practice, you lose it easy. So I have like follow more teacher, native speaker on Instagram. They make small video to learning English. Same.
Any exposure you can get, you take, meaning surrounding your life with English is a good idea. So I like that you're on social media using it properly to benefit you. This is a good choice.
I see.
Keep going with
So
that.
so what do you think? How old of me?
You are 26 years old,
No,
27,
no.
21.
Yeah.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?